Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we tell you about reunification of China. Reunification of China refers to the process of reunifying the territories of the People's Republic of China, PRC, and the Republic of China, ROC, which have been divided since 1949. The division of China into two separate states began in the aftermath of the Chinese Civil War, when the Communist Party of China, led by Mao Zedong, defeated the Nationalist Party, led by Chiang Kai-shek. The Nationalists retreated to Taiwan and established the ROC there, while the Communists established the PRC on the mainland. For many years, the two Chinese states were considered separate and distinct, with the PRC being recognized as the legitimate government by most of the international community and the ROC being recognized by a small group of countries. However, over time, the two sides have moved closer towards reunification. One of the main factors driving this movement towards reunification is the increasing economic interdependence between the mainland and Taiwan. This interdependence is manifest in the growing trade and investment ties between the two sides, as well as the increasing number of mainland Chinese tourists visiting Taiwan. Another factor that has contributed to the reunification of China is the growing recognition of the PRC as a major global power. With its rapidly growing economy and military capabilities, the PRC is increasingly seen as a key player on the global stage, and this has increased the pressure on Taiwan to reunify with the mainland. However, the reunification of China is not without its challenges. One of the main challenges is the deep political and cultural divide that exists between the two sides, as well as the deeply entrenched historical and ideological differences that have separated them for so long. Despite these challenges, many people believe that the reunification of China is inevitable, and that it is only a matter of time before the two sides come together as one country once again. Whether this reunification will happen peacefully or through conflict remains to be seen, but it is clear that it is an issue that will continue to be a major focus of attention for years to come.